Hello children, welcome to Vidura College, Grade 5 Buddhism lesson. Let's see what are we going to learn today. Okay children, before we start the lesson, let's see a small video.
සත් සතිය වන්දනාව පටමං බෝධි පල්ලංකං ဒုတိယံ ච අනිබ්බිසං තතියං චං කමනං සෙට්ටං චතුත්තං රතනාගරං පංචමං අජපාලංච මුචලින් දේන චට්ටමං සත්තමං රාජායතනං වන්දිතං මුනිසේවිතං.
Today we are going to learn about 7 weeks after enlightenment. You can see a beautiful picture in here. This is the place where the Buddha attained enlightenment and spent 7 weeks after enlightenment. 7 weeks after enlightenment. The Buddha attained enlightenment on a Vesak full moon day under an Asatubbo tree. Prince Siddhartha, after attaining Buddhahood, spent 7 weeks in the presence of this tree, enjoying peace, happiness, and freedom. This period is called Sat Satiya, the 7 weeks. First week, under the Bodhi tree. During the whole of the first week, the Buddha sat under the Bodhi tree. The Buddha meditated on the realization of the bliss of Nibbana, which is joy of everlasting peace. On seeing this, the god began to doubt that the Buddha was seated under the Bodhi tree as he hasn't attained enlightenment. Then the Buddha, through his divine eye, saw this and to expel their doubts rose up to the sky and performed a miracle called Yama Mahapelahara. This is also called the twin miracle, a miracle performed only by the Buddha's psychic power. The gods, on seeing this, shed their suspicion and worshipped the Buddha. This was the first time that the Buddha performed this miracle. Second week, gazing at the Bodhi tree. The Buddha spent the second week gazing at the Bodhi tree without moving his eyes for the whole week. Thus is called Animisalochana Pujava. The Buddha did this to pay his gratitude to the Bodhi tree which sheltered him during his struggle for Buddhahood. Third week, Ruwan Sakmana. In the third week, the Buddha walked up and down between Bodhi tree and the place where he performed the gazing at the Bodhi tree. It is called Ruwan Sakmana. Fourth week, Jewel Chamber. The Buddha spent the fourth week in a beautiful jewel chamber situated to the northwest of the Bodhi tree. The Buddha meditated on Abhidharmaya, the higher teachings of Buddhism. At this moment, the Buddha's mind and body were so purified that 6 color rays came out of his body. They were blue, yellow, red, white, orange, and a mixture of these 5. They were known as Buddha Rashmi. The Buddhist flag is made according to these colors. Fifth week, the three daughters of Mara. The Buddha spent fifth week sitting under the famous Ajapala banyan tree. In this week, the three daughters of Mara, Tanha, Rati, and Ranga, appeared before the Buddha and tried to change his mind by disturbing his meditation. Finally, they realized their failure to do so and left. Sixth week, Muchalinda King Cobra. During this week, the Buddha meditated seated at the foot of Midella tree. Suddenly, it began to rain heavily with strong winds. Suddenly, a huge king cobra appeared and coiled around his body and held its hood Buddha's head to protect him from rain and wind. This snake was called Muchalinda. Seventh week, Rajayatana tree. During the seventh week, the Buddha was meditating under a nuga tree called the Rajayatana tree. Okay children, we have completed our lesson today. Let's see what did we learn today. We have learned about the 7th week after enlightenment, and we have learned how to name the 7 weeks after enlightenment in order. Finally, we have learned what are the specials that happen in those places. Okay children, let's see the activity. There are 5 questions which you have to answer in the Buddhism writing book. Before you answering the questions, go through the student note which is uploaded and copy the notes in your writing book and start writing the answers. Question number 1. Name the 7 weeks in order. Question number 2. Name the miracle performed by the Buddha to dispel the doubts among the gods. Question number 3. What is the example shown by the Buddha by gazing at the Bodhi tree? Question number 4. During which week did the Buddha meditate on Abhidhamma? Question number 5. Name the 3 daughters of Mara. Okay children, I hope you understood the lesson today. We will meet again with a new lesson. Stay safe children. Thank you.